This year at PACK EXPO International, we're introducing a game changer for growing brands, Emerging Brands Central. This is your ultimate resource for expanding your reach and scaling your operations. Emerging Brands Central offers easy access to industry experts sharing insights on crucial topics for growing brands. Dive into free 30-minute educational sessions packed with up-to-the-minute content on product development, packaging innovation, and effective scaling strategies. Plus, take advantage of our free on-site expert advisors who have decades of combined experience with P&G, Pepsi, General Mills, and more, ready to answer your questions and guide your growth. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity at PACK EXPO International, taking place November 3rd through the 6th at McCormick Place in Chicago. It will be the largest packaging and processing event in the world this year. Join us at Emerging Brands Central, where growth meets innovation.